Poe AI, or Platform for Open Exploration, has become a popular way to access multiple AI models through a single interface. However, users often encounter issues that can make the platform seem like it's not working properly. Poe provides access to popular AI models, including ChatGPT and Claude, making it a convenient hub for AI interactions. But this convenience comes with potential points of failure. The most common issue users face is server overload during peak usage times. These typically occur between 9 to 11 a.m. and 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, when millions of users are trying to access the platform simultaneously. Another major issue is API rate limiting, which restricts how many requests free-tier users can make. When you hit these limits, Poe may appear to stop working entirely, even though the platform itself is functioning normally. Model-specific outages are another common problem. Individual AI models like ChatGPT or Claude may become temporarily unavailable while others continue working. This can make it seem like Poe is broken when only one service is affected. Mobile app synchronization issues and authentication problems can also prevent access to Poe. These issues often manifest as login failures, session timeouts, or differences between what you see on mobile versus web versions. Understanding these common issues is the crucial first step in troubleshooting Poe AI problems. By identifying whether you're dealing with server overload, rate limiting, model outages, or app-specific issues, you can better determine the appropriate solution. When Poe AI isn't working properly, there are systematic troubleshooting steps you can follow. We'll cover quick fixes, app solutions, server issues, and network problems. First, try these quick fixes that solve most common issues. These simple steps can resolve temporary glitches without any technical expertise. For app-specific problems, these solutions address issues with the Poe mobile app or desktop application. Start with updating to the latest version. When Poe's servers are experiencing problems, you can check their status and try alternative approaches. Server issues are usually temporary but require patience. Network problems are often the most complex to diagnose. Start by testing different internet connections and checking if the issue is specific to your network setup. VPN connections can help bypass regional restrictions or network filtering. Also, check your firewall and antivirus settings, as they may block Poe's connections. DNS settings are crucial for internet connectivity. Try using public DNS servers like Google's 8.8.8 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1 for better reliability and speed. Google DNS at 8.8.8 is reliable and fast. Cloudflare's 1.1.1 focuses on privacy and speed. Both are excellent alternatives to your ISP's default DNS servers. If network problems persist after trying all these solutions, contact your internet service provider. They can diagnose connection issues, check for outages in your area, and verify that Poe AI services aren't being blocked at the network level.